is launch day here at Planet. So Pelican-2 is launching with 36 SuperDoves on SpaceX's Falcon-9.
Pelican-2 is a high-res imaging satellite, the results of about 5 years of research and development, and we're all really excited to see it join our other satellites and start producing data.
Timeliness of data is everything. Pelican constellation will meet the evolving needs of customers who want real-time information on a global basis. From floods and wildfires to political conflicts and threats to human rights. Pelican's rapid response and higher resolution will help us keep up with changes and developments as they're happening.
Pelican is a next-generation version of our SkySat spacecraft. We took a look at how we wanted to augment our SkySat fleet and make it a little bit bigger and better. But one of the technologies that includes an edge compute platform from NVIDIA based on their Jetson architecture. The Jetsons are devices that have a lot of processing power but are pretty low power draw. And it's interesting to us because a Pelican will generate about 1 terabyte of data per day. If we can move some of those computations to the satellite, say by training a model to look for aircraft at airports or ships entering a harbor, we might be able to reduce that to a few megabytes and be able to provide it to a customer really quickly.
So our constellations are meant to be synergistic. And so if we detect a plume in the Tanager hyperspectral data, or we notice change in the PlanetScope data, then we can go and task a Pelican and the high-resolution data to be able to understand that area of interest in more detail. So there are a lot of opportunities for tip and queue operations in our single platform.
We're about to watch the rocket's engines ignite. A lot of sound and fury, and our satellite's going to be shaken and rattled. And it's going to be, 20 or 30 minutes or so before it comes into view of one of our ground stations. And so we see this silence, and you see that first chirp coming down off of the radio that lets you know that the satellite's alive and that you did your job right. It's doing what it needs to do.